Hello everybody and welcome back to Little Tree Learning, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners. Our English lessons are designed to be short and concise in a lesson format for easy learning and understanding. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, reading skills, and using English in a one-to-one roleplay. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Phonics 9, using short vowels, ub, ud, ug, and sounds. Ub, ud, ug, ub, ud, ug, ub, cub, cub, tub, tub, cub, tub, ud, bud, bud, mud, mud, bud, mud, ug, bug, bug, pug, pug, bug, pug, gum, gum, drum, drum, gum, drum. Listen and say the sentence. A cub plays in the mud. A cub plays in the mud. A baby is in the tub. A baby is in the tub. The flower stem has a bud. The flower stem has a bud. A bug is on the mug. A bug is on the mug. The pug is having a walk. The pug is having a walk. She is chewing gum. She is chewing gum. The boy plays a drum. The boy plays a drum. Let's review the phonics sounds. Ub, cub. Ub, tub. Cub, tub. Ud, bud. Ud, mud. Bud, mud. Ugh, bug. Ugh, pug. Bug, pug. Gum. Drum. Gum, drum. We're at the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.